And this one, I know you're not supposed to have favorite children, but this might be my favorite. Hi, welcome back to my channel, That Girl Creates. I hope you all are staying safe, sane, and hydrated today. I am a conscious creator that believes your highest self equals your highest creativity. So subscribe to my channel for all things health, wellness, lifestyle, and a little bit of things in between. With that being said, today we are celebrating Mother's Day for plant moms. I am a plant mom. I have 7 babies. I just birthed 4 babies yesterday, and I have to say, I'm exhausted. I want to tell you why each of my plant babies brings something different to the table. It has unique characteristics and it needs different attention, but they all bring so much love, and that's what makes it all worth it. But before we get into that, be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave me a comment. Do you have plants? How many plants do you have? What's your favorite plant? Also, what plant should I get next after seeing my 7? Let's get into it. So this first plant is whenever you just want to feel luxurious, like you just spent a day at the spa, get this plant. This big old eucalyptus. And I have more where that came from. I have some in my shower as we speak, and this is just extra whenever that gets, it's done. I have these fresh ones, and that's why I put it in some water to maintain the moisture. But it smells so good. It's so sticky, so you know it's fresh. You can get it from your local nursery. I used a Black-owned delivery service that's based out in LA, and they delivered my 4 babies to me yesterday, and he was so nice, so helpful. So make sure to check out Leafy Green Creations on Instagram. Hit them up, buy some plants if you're in the LA area, check them out. I love eucalyptus because I use it in my diffuser all the time. They always have it at the spa. It just makes me feel like I'm being pampered. That shower I took last night was so good because I just felt like I was at the spa. Like the steam combined with the eucalyptus just made it my respiratory. It just felt like refreshed, renewed. It's an air purifier, and it's also a natural air freshener. I know we've been in a house, so we've been eating a lot more. Hopefully we've been eating some green stuff, which is gonna make us use that bathroom. So this, get into it because y'all probably need it. Next up is, before I say what it is, we've had some good times and we've had some bad times, I'm not gonna lie. But the one thing that I can say is it might be rough around the edges, but it's nothing but goodness inside. That is the aloe plant. It's a little prickly, giving us some cactus vibes. But on the inside, it's just gooey goodness. You can put it in your hair, you can put it on your skin. It helps with acne, it helps with moisture in your hair. It's an antibacterial. You can use it first aid. I used it for a rash that was under my arm. You can use it for burns, like if you're cooking or if you're using an iron or a curling iron, whatever hot thing you burn yourself with. Put a little bit on there, you're good to go. It's anti-inflammatory and it's antibacterial, so I mean, she might be a little rough, but it's what you need. It's what you need. She give you that tough love. And as you may know, sorry. I did have 2 aloe babies before this, and unfortunately, they were lost in battle. They were gone too soon. So in honor for those 2, Aloe Black and Vera Wang, I am going to name this one Aloe Black. Some of them I haven't named yet, but I have to be with them a few days to see their personality, see the vibe they're giving me. My next one is this hanging pothos. Now I've heard people say Pothos, Pothos. I'm partial to Pothos, so we're gonna go with that. And I just love the yellow details to this one. It's my first hanging plant. I'm so excited for it. She's gorgeous. I'm feeling ivy. I might ponder on that for a few days, but I'm feeling some ivy vibes. So the Pothos is a very good beginner plant because she good. You only have to water her once every 2 weeks. She gives a little give, you know what I'm saying? Very easy beginner plant. It's also an air purifier for things like formaldehyde, benzene, and carbon monoxide. So this is a very good house plant. My next baby is a cute little baby fig. Maybe he said the scientific name for the fiddle leaf because I looked up different figs and this is what it looks closest like. If you're a botanist and you know what this is, whether it's a fiddle leaf fig or not, please let me know. If you're a botanist or you just know a lot about plants, I would love to know what this is. But for now, I'm going to go with this is a fiddle leaf. And she's also an air purifier and it helps out with humidity. I have a lot of plants that's air purifiers in my room already, so I'm actually going to put this in the living room to show another room some love because you need it. And I'm going to put this by my desk. It's so pretty. It's a perfect size. I love the space that came with it. Like, they really hook it up at Leafy Green Creations. Definitely, that's gonna be my new go-to for my plant babies. Now, right behind me is the snake plant, which is also known as the mother-in-law tongue. So it cleans the air, it emits oxygen at night, so that's why it's right next to my bed. She keeping me, you know, oxygenated while I'm sleeping. You know, she look out. She's like the oldest daughter, you know. She loves you. It's almost like you raise each other at some point and she'll always be there. She knows what's best. She does. She really does. And I've had her the longest besides my other plant that I will get to. I've had her about 6 months. So, you know, we've been rocking for a good minute and very low maintenance, very low maintenance. So I definitely recommend it as another beginner friendly plant. The other plant behind me is the monstera deliciosa. Yes, and it's also known as a Swiss cheese plant because of the little hole punch leaves. And this one, I know you're not supposed to have favorite children, but this might be my favorite because it's heart-shaped. They have heart-shaped leaves. And I feel like this is just very telling about a lot of our hearts. Like, we have little holes in it that could be filled up with love. And I'm here to love it, and it's here to love me, flaws and all. It's also very low maintenance. You water it once every 2 weeks, he said, and they're just pretty to look at. So the monstera is the most effective for reducing air pollution. So this was very great. I'm going to have it in the living room as well. Just a side note, the leaves are toxic. So if you have pets or small children, just beware. Like, I wouldn't have it in low places if you do have pets or small children, because you don't want them, you know, nibbling on the leaves by accident. And the last one is, she's been struggling. I feel like she's a teenager now and she's trying to leave the nest, and I feel like she's trying to leave the nest too soon. And I just don't know what to do with her. I try to give her everything that she wants. I try to water her. If I overwater, I try to leave it alone. I don't know if she's in too much sunlight, too little sunlight. It's like, whatever I do just cannot please her. So I feel like she's in like that preteen, teenage phase where it's just like, we're just at odds. We're just at odds. She's been in ICU, in and out of ICU for 6 months, I would say. And every once in a while, she just loses some leaves and then she'll get better. She gets greener. And then something happens and she just browns again and the leaves come off. I don't know. But the crazy thing is some baby sprouts are coming up. So I have to be doing something right? I don't know. Maybe it's trying to give me a second chance. Let's just see what she looks like. Don't judge. Just pray for her. These are some of the leaves. Now that looks real bad, I know. I don't know what to do. But look at the baby leaves. I I don't know, guys. I did get a tip to bring her in the shower with me. Well, not literally in the shower, but just so it can get some humidity, because it is a plant that thrives in wetness and humidity. And I mean, it's like 90 degrees in California right now. It's SoCal at least. So maybe that's why, I don't know. But I'm definitely gonna bring her in. Hopefully some of her sister Eucalyptus, you know, Lippy. Oh, I just named her. I just got a new name. Hopefully her sister Lippy rubs off on her, you know, her younger sister, and brings her back to life, gives her more energy. Other than that, I don't know. Just don't know. Well, didn't mean to end on that sad note, but these are all my babies. I have 7 beautiful babies. My love is all the same for all of them. And with that being said, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you feel compelled to subscribe, like, comment, share with all of your plant mom friends. If you're in a plant club or plant group, just go ahead and share this. If y'all have any tips on how to take care of any of these babies, let me know, please, because by no means, like, this is trial and error. We're all in this together. We need a community for child rearing these plants, just like we do with children. So if you have any tips, please let me know. If you enjoyed this video, once again, subscribe. And if you're in the LA area, please check out Leafy Green Creations. This is not sponsored, but he was so nice. It's money well spent. Great customer service. He gives you tips on how to take care of them. Very nice guy. Black owned delivery company. I'm all about supporting small businesses, especially small Black businesses. I will leave their socials below. And with that being said, I hope that you all enjoy your week, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.